What is up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. This week 10 of trading a $10 account in 365 days. This week we are going to look at what we did on the account, the trades we took, and review all those trades. So without wasting much time, let's just get right into it. But before we go, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to comment how your trading week was. Let's dive right in and see what we did for this week. So we took two trades this week, which unfortunately all came out for losses. And the first trade was on GBP/NZD. So this is it right here. GBP/NZD came out for a loss, and I think it was on Tuesday. So what did I see on this pair? So initially I was anticipating the buys. I was looking forward for price to come down to this other block and start buying upward, because we had this break of structure here. So I was looking at price coming down to this other block, then continuing buying to the upside. So whilst I was looking at that, I saw this sweep right here, and I saw this change in state of delivery, and I saw price reacting from here. So when I saw price reacting from here, I just waited, and I saw the break of structure right here. I saw the break of structure right here, and another one right down here. So this was the other block price was selling from initially, but I didn't get in right here. So I waited for this zone to be broken and retested, and I got in, and price moved for about 1:3. Price moved for about 1:3, almost 1:4. Then it started reversing and came back to hit me for a loss. So this was the trade on GBP/NZD. This is the trade result right here, and it came out for a loss. We took a 10% loss right here, which is equal to $1. And the next trade that we took a loss on, I think, was on gold. That has to be gold. So on gold, yes, this was it. So on Thursday we took another loss on gold, and with this one I wasn't even looking at the chart. It seems I had already set the limit or I'd forgotten about it, and price just triggered and hit my SL. Gold was kind of bearish, but since last week we kind of saw these upward moves trying to push price higher. So when I saw this break of structure, I knew that I was thinking that price would maybe come down, seek another block down below here, and continue buying from here. But as you can see, I think the bearish moves were not done. So gold just came down and moved straight to our SL, and it's still going down. So these are the two trades we took for this week. This is a trade result. These are the two trades we took for this week, and our account is not looking good right now. So let's head on to the journaling platform and see what we did for the week. So this is it. This is a journaling platform, and so far in the month of March we've had no win. We've taken 4 straight losses in the month of March. You can see all these red weeks. In the first week we took 4 losses, and in the second week we've taken 4 losses as well. 4 losses as well. So I think we have this 12 trading days remaining in the month of March. So let's see, this week this was the first trade, which came out for a minus 99-cent loss, which is equivalent to $1, and this came out for minus 87, or approximately $1. So we lost about $2 this week, and our daily win rate sits at 23.53%. So this is all we did on account. Nothing really spectacular. We took these losses, and hopefully we come back next week and still execute the plan, stay on the grind. Sometimes it can be like this, but we will just keep pushing until the 365 days is over. That is if we do not blow the account before then. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Catch you next time. Bye.